A plain window can drain the life right out of your home's exterior, but a window box bursting with color? That single change can completely transform the way your home looks from the street, and it takes far less effort than most people expect. The secret is knowing which flowers actually perform, which ones survive heat, shade, and drought, and which combinations give that magazine-worthy, overflowing look all season long. William Scott here, and welcome to Golden Age Gardening, the channel built for gardeners who want results, not just pretty pictures. On this channel, we cover what actually works in the garden season after season. If this is your first visit, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. And if you find this one helpful, drop a like. It genuinely helps this content reach more gardeners like you. In this video, we are going through 15 of the best flowers for window boxes, ranked, described, and packed with practical growing tips you will not find on the average garden block. Share this with a neighbor or friend who is thinking about sprucing up their front yard. Let us get into it. Before jumping into the flower list, there are a few things worth understanding about window boxes that will make or break your success. First, the container itself matters. Metal hayrack-style boxes with cocoa liner look absolutely stunning, but they dry out extremely fast, sometimes needing water twice a day in the peak of summer. Plastic boxes hold moisture longer, which means less watering stress. Terracotta is beautiful, but extremely heavy once filled with soil, and requires solid, reinforced brackets to support the weight safely. Second, nutrition is constantly being washed out of window boxes every time you water. This means fertilizing is not optional. At planting time, mix a granular, slow-release fertilizer into the soil. This feeds your plant steadily for a month or more. Then follow up with a water-soluble fertilizer in your watering can every week or two throughout the season. Third, think in terms of design roles. Thrillers, tall, showy centerpieces, fillers, mounding plants that add bulk, and spillers, trailing plants that cascade over the edge. Using all three creates that lush, full look. Now, here are the 15 best window box flowers to make it happen. Window box flower number 1, Petunia, Petunia hybrid. Petunias are one of the most dependable window box flowers available, and for good reason. They bloom from spring all the way through fall in most climates, come in every color imaginable from pure white to deep burgundy to neon pink, including speckled and bicolor varieties, and they fill containers quickly with a soft, trailing habit that spills beautifully over box edges. The key is choosing the right type. Older petunia varieties require heading, which means pinching off spent blooms to keep new flowers coming. But modern hybrid series like Wave, Supertunia, and Cascadia are self-cleaning, meaning the old blooms fall away on their own and new ones open continuously. These hybrids are also more rain-tolerant and heat-resistant. Give petunias full sun and afternoon shade in extremely hot climates for best performance. Sun requirement: full sun. Soil: well-drained and rich. Window box flower number 2, Torenia, Torenia X hybrid. Torenia, also called wishbone flower, is an underrated gem for shady window boxes. The tubular blooms come in pink, white, lavender, and deep purple, all with a distinctive yellow throat that makes them look almost hand-painted. Hummingbirds are strongly attracted to them, which adds a whole other layer of life and movement to your window display. Newer hybrid cultivars have been bred for greater heat tolerance, which was historically a weakness of the species. Torenia grows in a graceful, trailing manner that fills the lower front of a window box beautifully. It performs best in part to full shade. If your window faces north or is shaded by an overhang, Torenia is one of the best choices available. Sun requirement: part to full shade. Soil: rich, well-draining.
Window box flower number 3, Ivy geranium, Pelargonium peltatum. Most gardeners know the classic upright geranium, but ivy geranium is the window box specialist of the family. Its leaves are shaped like ivy, glossy, angular, and deeply lobed, and the plant grows in a relaxed, trailing form that drapes over box edges with real elegance. Flower clusters appear in shades of red, pink, white, salmon, and lavender. Ivy geraniums are not fond of intense heat and will pause blooming when temperatures push above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes them ideal for cooler climates and elevated regions. In warmer southern zones, they perform well as winter or early spring annuals before the heat sets in. They are also naturally drought-tolerant once established, requiring less frequent watering than many other window box plants. Sun requirement: full sun. Soil: rich, well-drained. Window box flower number 4, sweet alyssum, lobelia marittima. Sweet alyssum produces dense mats of tiny flowers in white, pink, or soft purple, and each bloom carries a gentle honey-like fragrance that pollinators find irresistible. Bees, in particular, will visit sweet alyssum consistently, making it an excellent ecological addition to any garden window box. This plant cascades softly over container edges and holds up well into cool autumn weather, continuing to bloom right up until a hard frost. It also self-seeds readily, which means if you grow it near garden beds, you may find it returning on its own the following year. In the hottest parts of summer, sweet alyssum benefits from afternoon shade and consistent watering. Heat and drought can cause it to go dormant briefly, but it typically rebounds once temperatures drop. Sun requirement, full sun to partial shade. Soil, moist but well-drained. Window box flower number 5, coleus, Coleus scutelarioides. Coleus breaks the rule that window boxes must depend on flowers for visual impact. This plant is grown entirely for its foliage, and the leaf colors it produces are genuinely extraordinary. Deep burgundy, lime green, gold, salmon, near black, flame orange, and countless combinations of all of these in swirled or edged patterns. Modern coleus breeding has produced varieties suited for full sun, part sun, and shade, so there is now a coleus for nearly every window box situation. The plants grow quickly, hold their color all season without fading, and pair beautifully with flowering companions as a dramatic contrast. Pinch off any flower spikes as they appear to keep energy directed into the foliage. Coleus also roots very easily in water, so cuttings can be taken at the end of the season and overwintered indoors. Sun requirement, sun to shade, variety dependent.
Window box flower number 6, angelonia, Angelonia angustifolia. Angelonia goes by the nickname summer snapdragon, and once you grow it, the name makes complete sense. The flowers are small snapdragon-shaped blooms that stack up along tall spikes in colors including deep purple, hot pink, lavender, and crisp white. They carry a faint grape-like fragrance, which is an unexpected bonus. What makes Angelonia exceptional for window boxes is its heat performance. While many plants slow down or stop blooming in midsummer heat, Angelonia thrives in it. As long as it receives regular water, it will bloom continuously from early summer through the first frost without needing deadheading. Both upright and cascading varieties are available. Upright types work as thrillers at the back of a mixed box, while trailing types spill forward gracefully. Sun requirement, full sun. Soil, moist, well-draining. Click pause. If you are learning something useful from this video, go ahead and give it a like right now. It genuinely helps this content reach more gardeners who need it. Subscribe to Golden Age Gardening if you have not already, and share this video with someone who is planning their spring window boxes. Now back to the list. Window box flower number 7, pansy, Viola X Whitrockiana. Pansies are the classic cool season choice for window boxes, and they earn that reputation every year. Their large, flat faces come in an enormous range of colors: purples, blues, oranges, yellows, whites, and near black, and many varieties display the characteristic darker center marking that gives them an almost whimsical expression. Plant pansies in early spring when temperatures are still cool, or again in early fall for a second season of color. They can tolerate light frost, which gives them an unusually long window of performance compared to summer annuals. In part shade, pansies best significantly longer before the heat shuts them down. Pair them with spring bulbs like small tulips or grape hyacinth for a layered early-season display. Sun requirement, part to full sun. Soil, well-draining. Window box flower number 8, bacopa, Sutera cordata. Bacopa is one of the finest filler and spiller plants available for mixed window boxes. Its stems are covered in tiny flowers, typically white, but also available in pink and soft blue-purple. And it grows in a fine-textured, lacy trailing habit that weaves beautifully between larger plants. The plant blooms non-stop from planting until hard frost without any deadheading required. It is especially effective as a softening edge plant that breaks up the solid line of a window box and creates a natural, overflowing appearance. Bacopa prefers consistent moisture. It will wilt quickly if allowed to dry out completely, though it usually recovers with a good watering. Sun requirement, part to full sun. Soil, well-drained. Window box flower number 9, sweet potato vine, Ipomea batatas. Sweet potato vine is the drama queen of window box world, and that is meant entirely as a compliment. Its large, heart-shaped leaves come in colors that command attention: electric lime green, deep burgundy black, bronzy copper, and variegated combinations. The sheer boldness of this foliage plant creates instant visual impact and makes neighboring flowers pop by contrast. Be aware that sweet potato vine is a vigorous grower and will quickly dominate a container. For the best results, either plant it alone in a dedicated window box or use a large box with plenty of room. It is heat-tolerant and relatively drought-tolerant once established. At the end of the season, small edible sweet potatoes often form in the soil, a fun bonus. Sun requirement: sun to part shade. Soil: well draining. Window box flower number 10, lobelia, Lobelia erinus. True blue is one of the rarest colors in the flowering plant world, which makes lobelia genuinely special. Its electric blue and blue-violet flowers are a color that very few other annuals can match, and they add a cool, saturated depth to window box combinations that warm-colored flowers simply cannot provide on their own. Lobelia is a cool season plant at heart and performs best in spring and again in fall when temperatures moderate. In summer heat, it can struggle, but newer cultivars like the Laguna series have been specifically bred for improved heat tolerance. Place lobelia in shaded or partly shaded locations to extend its performance through the warmer months. It pairs excellently with white alyssum and silver dusty miller for a classic crisp combination. Sun requirement: full to part shade. Soil: well draining. Window box flower number 11, herbs, various. Window boxes do not have to be purely ornamental. Planting a dedicated herb window box or tucking herbs into a mixed ornamental planting adds both practical and aesthetic value. Herbs like parsley, thyme, oregano, tarragon, and trailing rosemary all look attractive growing together, with varying leaf textures and shades of green that create an appealing natural arrangement. Many herbs also produce flowers when left to bloom. Thyme produces small lilac blooms, chives produce round purple flower heads, and oregano blooms in delicate pink clusters, all of which attract beneficial pollinators. Placing a herb window box near a kitchen window adds serious everyday convenience. Most culinary herbs prefer full sun and well-draining soil, and they are generally forgiving plants that bounce back well from light neglect. Sun requirement: full sun. Soil: well draining. Window box flower number 12, impatiens, Impatiens spp. For window boxes that receive little to no direct sun, impatiens are one of the most reliable choices available. They produce a continuous mass of cheerful flowers in colors spanning pale pink, coral, salmon, red, white, orange, and deep purple, all without needing deadheading. They grow into dense, mounding plants that fill a window box completely. One important note: downy mildew disease devastated traditional impatiens varieties in past years, so it is worth selecting modern disease-resistant cultivars like the Laguna series. For window boxes that receive some direct sun, sun patients are a specially bred hybrid that handles sunnier conditions very well. Always read the plant tag carefully to match the variety to your light conditions. Sun requirement: full or dappled sun to part shade, depending on variety. Soil: rich, moist, well drained.
Window box flower number 13, begonia. Begonias are the low-maintenance champions of the window box world. They bloom persistently all season long without any deadheading. They tolerate both shade and light sun, and they hold up beautifully in heat and humidity, particularly the wax begonia and tuberous begonia types commonly used in containers. For window boxes, trailing begonia varieties are particularly spectacular. These produce large pendulous blooms in deep red, hot pink, soft orange, yellow, and white that hang down over the edges of the box like a floral curtain. Tuberous begonias prefer morning sun and afternoon shade and need well-draining soil to prevent root rot. Angel wing begonias, with their spotted foliage and dangling flower clusters, are another excellent option for shadier boxes. Sun requirement: part to full shade. Soil: rich, well-draining, slightly moist. Window box flower number 14, calibrachoa. Calibrachoa are sometimes called million bells, and the name captures them perfectly. Dozens of small, petunia-shaped blooms covering the plant from spring through frost, in every color from yellow and bronze to deep purple and true red. Despite looking like tiny petunias, Calibrachoa is a completely different genus with its own distinct growing requirements. Calibrachoa trails and spills magnificently from window boxes, creating full, cascading curtains of color. They require no deadheading, are strongly attractive to hummingbirds, and are generally more disease-resistant and heat-tolerant than standard petunias. One important consideration: Calibrachoa are heavy feeders and will yellow quickly without regular fertilization. Use an iron-containing fertilizer if chlorosis, yellowing between leaf veins, appears. Sun requirement: full sun. Soil: well-draining, moist, slightly acidic.
Window box flower number 15, lantana, Lantana camara. Lantana is the absolute heat warrior of the window box plant world. In full blazing sun, when other plants are wilting and shutting down, lantana keeps producing clusters of tiny flowers in rich combinations of yellow, orange, pink, red, and white, often with multiple colors appearing together on a single flower cluster as the blooms age, creating a naturally ombre effect. Pollinators are deeply attracted to lantana. Butterflies, in particular, will land on it constantly throughout the summer. It is drought-tolerant once established, making it an excellent choice for window boxes that may not always get watered on a strict schedule. Trailing lantana varieties work especially well in boxes, filling in densely and spilling forward. Note that lantana berries are toxic, so keep this in mind if young children or pets have access to the planting area. Sun requirement: full sun. Soil: well-drained, sandy. Now that you have the full plant list, a few design principles will take your window box from good to genuinely impressive. The thriller, filler, spiller formula is the foundation. Place one taller, dramatic plant like angelonia or coleus at the back center, surround it with mounding fillers like impatiens or begonias in the middle, and finish with trailing spillers like calibrachoa, bacopa, or sweet alyssum at the front edges. Color harmony matters too. Monochromatic boxes using variations of one color look sophisticated and modern. Complementary pairings like purple lobelia with yellow calibrachoa create energy and visual contrast. Warm-tone boxes using reds, oranges, and yellows feel welcoming and bold, while cool-tone boxes in blues, purples, and whites feel calm and elegant. Do not overlook seasonal swapping. Spring boxes with pansies and sweet alyssum can transition to summer boxes with petunias and angelonia, then shift to fall boxes with chrysanthemums and ornamental kale. This keeps your home looking fresh and seasonally appropriate all year long with relatively little cost. Finally, never skip the drainage holes. Waterlogged roots are the single most common cause of window box failure. Every box should have adequate drainage, and placing a layer of gravel or broken pot pieces at the bottom before adding soil improves drainage further. And that wraps up all 15 of the best window box flowers for boosting curb appeal, along with everything you need to design, plant, and maintain them successfully. Whether the goal is a sun-drenched cascade of petunias and lantana or a shaded box full of begonias and torenia, there is absolutely a combination on this list that will work for the specific conditions outside your window. Window boxes are one of the highest impact, lowest cost improvements you can make to any home exterior. A single season of well-maintained window boxes genuinely changes the way a house looks and feels from the street. William Scott here at Golden Age Gardening. Thank you for spending time with this video. If this helped you, please leave a like and drop a comment below letting us know which plant you are most excited to try this season. Share this video with a fellow gardener who could use some fresh window box inspiration. Subscribe to Golden Age Gardening so you never miss a new upload, and we will see you in the next one.